What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you a demo of the JVC RS3000, the 8K E-Shift model up here. And we are going to be shooting onto a black diamond 1.4 Zero Edge Pro with the backlit LED kit. This is also optimized for 8K. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you would like to purchase anything, give us a ring. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed, as well as a free design service. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, let's do this demo. All right, guys, let's get ready to rumble. This is 6 Underground. If you haven't seen this, it's on Netflix, and it's got Ryan Reynolds in it. Crazy color pop. This is an RS3000 with a black diamond 1.4 from SI and a Klipsch Ultra THX system. Killer system. Enjoy.
What do you want? That's gonna be super loud.
Is that too much? Here, you do what you're comfortable with.
I've never really had this loud. It should be fine.
One power.
You should be able to crank it all the way up, whatever you want.
This is the day I died 3 years ago, as far as anyone else knows. Go!
Where did the guys come from? They said they were covering the door. I was covering.
What do you think about this picture quality?
Yeah, here we go.
John?
Hang on.
Good. Very accurate.
It's a little tight.
Inky, too. You can see with this projection system, even the off-axis viewing is still really beautiful. Excuse me. You hear all the shrapnel and just stuff flying in the background.
You hit one more person and I'm walking. You hear that?
Backseat driving going on.
All right, guys, this is my client that owns this space coming on to the video, and he wants to tell you a little bit about what he loves so much about the Atmos.
So with the overhead speakers, you can literally hear as objects are moving as they pass you. So as helicopters are going through this fight scene in Mission Impossible, you'll hear the payload moving from different parts of your room. So when it's above you and they're trying to drop the payload from one helicopter on top of another, you can hear it channeling as it moves downwards and then eventually misses. Like, you can hear every single aspect, whether it's on the left of you, the right of you, above you. You can hear it from anywhere you are. It's pretty fascinating.
Awesome. Well, I hope you guys are ready. Let's check it out.
Wait till later. Just
Go for it. Yeah.
I'm on the right part where this is. I think this is
Yeah, it is.
How we doing, mister?
Tripwires everywhere. I don't have enough hands.
This was the initial demo I did when I did the current version of Frame It Out HDR on the RS3000. All right, guys, we're kind of narrating this because we're all like geeking out over it. I got John here with Klipsch. He wants to tell you what he just heard.
Yeah, it was really cool just to hear the specifics of the sound. So Tom Cruise trying to hop on this helicopter just goes down the rope, and we can hear the fibers of the rope, his gloves, and just the very minute sounds, the air from him going all the way down. Full depth, can really hear absolutely everything from above us in the Dolby Atmos frame.
These are things that you can only hear with the quality system, guys. Enjoy. Let's keep this demo going. This is insane, guys.
This is the perfect place to hide it.
I mean, every bullet throughout the entire room, every fiber of rope. I mean, the detail is incredible in the audio.
Just wait for me, all right?
Bill, sir, I think I found something. You know. Same old thing.
What? Where?
He's in a house at the edge of the village.
All right, just wait for me, okay?
Joseph, wait for me!
Lucy, I'm home.
Insane. I hope you guys enjoyed that demo and all of the commentary that we were giving on it as well. I mean, it truly does sound amazing. We are very passionate about this, guys, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. Give us a ring and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed and a free design service. All right, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.